didn't. And for me, so we had the cost in me free say Wontumi nipa ofa omo say ombundi asem na ma no moamwa no. And so will be blame no. Say MPP for will be blame na. Council na representation na amwa no. Yeah.
All right, abusuya nsame de bebre koso social media yi so your platform way your transia the airport the ebani na e bobo ano e de den e ba besom se sompa enti se on subscribe ya ne de mu no subscribe e de ma me say any update bianso erecha onso onsa ebeka bi na de na si nkomo be na wo so yes Chairman Wontumi na ho sem e da so e wo media yi so obia e di nkomo na ndra unim say eye NPP for anodom pre ene ne nkrofo ekopie mu ewo eye insawom a chese na eye Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ono su edimu bi abusuya na enye fedi agro a ene endra de na kopie mu insawom di a enye easy akugudamfo no kopie mu ewo ho omo kwa kochire odo because unua ho kan na ho so eden ho aka na abusuya enda no pai Avanche innocent oba be di nkomo onye oba Yaa Titi oba be cho madwe a na omo chire mu a o hwe said ya amanfo ebremi say President John Dramani Mahama wanya de se wajeli eye Chairman Wontumi no ende avan ababedi nkomo abibie ne mani so a o kire mu a eye Chairman Wontumi ne lawyers eno Wontumi amboa Chairman Wontumi a ama sisi a ne case no akwakodu sei ene ne nkrofo a no omo eye adwuma ene kyese omo tumi ayi Chairman Wontumi ama ende Chairman Wontumi ne ho akire na avan ababedi nkomo aka ensem a abusuya no so ababeka mensa wo ha sei ya yebekọ na yakwakotie the ecos intimacy so be come ho na yakwakọhwe this short video way or this side e de aba na chese de o bia no so me ba be come ho na yenso yetie de den ecos this side yakotie embra
they didn't. Yes, and for me so we had the ecos ni nyina me free say Wontumi nipa ofa omo say ombundi asem na ma no moamwa no and so will be blame no say MPP for will be blame na council na representation na amwa no. Yeah, my men starting free saying. So we have amendment, we have ye act na ye di this act 703. Yeah amended in 2019 na. So we have sa particular ye saying legislative way. We have that particular ye saying act in the man. Yeah, a very dangerous act. very dangerous. Because asa amrano. Emfa obi o tu galamse nkwa na kokotum. Yeah. Na mom o say we instigate or cancel or procure or facilitate or be man contravene any of the provisions therein. Oh, asa wo ko jail 15 or least 15 or highest 25. That is how dangerous it is. So it's not just about say we tu galamse. If you facilitate, instigate or cancel or be utu obi for kra say onko tu galamse ya emra ne chew. That is the dangerous law. They say the same MPP government na and amende and all their to. And I did you be some yachewa. You look at the sentencing regime of that particular crime na yede amount no. Now I shall so act to 1 and I'm say omunye serious intino. Yada some kese we are to so 6 count. Emma. I had the Attorney General through the Deputy AG. My member about so he has done quite a good job. What me agina sa asem we so I'm making the case nyina after witnesses na se for eduru Wontumi so say se bra na onsem no so be ka wonsem na se cross examination na oba ya efri ne lawyer no say your friend say we are filing for submission of no case. Do you know what that means? It means that state in nsem no ma kan nyina se be enkwase asem nyina so bi ani enti judge no montungu really. And that was what they did. So they did not prepare for defense in the ongoing case. Yeah. And the Abra judge the boss has him to go and say ayaka. And at that point, you know, I found out who be pull. I'm what be defense. That defense will be jittery. And this a wutie the na ekosuru nyina na offer witnesses almost by 8. 4 na buy. Eto there then on one then ho kan ho say on why witness. Because other people are expecting you we are the buyer. Then nipa no mo buy no be dia dance amano no omo ba they didn't come as a witness on to build Wontumi's case. Eko you see by yourself so a mining expert. And you no be chere court no what constitute mining illegal mining. So nothing he said in the court no and the favor Wontumi. Then I say resec your friend saying papa na no director of regional minister no so buy also on there was a one time there was an issue and all the military for quite so the account by these people none and anywhere into the benefit of Wontumi said assembly say call and a court no judge na tenase no na the ruling na ba say based on all the enumerations across no nyina no we find Wontumi guilty. And people are arguing, say, a company na kwaya adwuma na ba ne say na ye Wontumi. Here is the catch. Your friends say first you must know say your friends say who incorporate company na so perpetrate crime the court no was the right to pierce the veil. I'll be you more free the veil of incorporation no otimi free her. But in this particular case the judge did not have any difficulty piercing the veil of incorporation. But so we have proceedings that Wontumi say or a company no na branch bi na teye am friend Kwame Antwi ni besin there obi anim ba bia when the picture ko obi so you can assume say or a fake person. But again ye bisa na say sa Kwame Antwi wo here Wontumi say 2021 2022 na Kwame Antwi friend na ka kire ne say o tu kwan okosiki greener pasture nti already we free kroma. So what it means say bone na ya chi wa wudi ni 2024 no you become a sole person. So that veil of incorporation in as any decision be a contaminate take biano you as a person. Or number you two and a judge in the car say or sign a functioning board of directors. Juma say okay, and you want away a board of directors and the mad decisions and then as a forum, sir, board of director be a new functioning, then it becomes you. Then we come back to the issue na Wontumi case na say nyina ye different from case na ya chene dada no. That's what people should know. Sa case na Martin Pebu no report to ye na se for no nyina no and na ye Wontumi ne personal involvement in Galamsey. This particular issue here can started on the 16th of April 2025. Abra police for call Western region mo kwache that Ogumni Henry you see on a honor case in started free and through interrogation and now okay so assassin Wontumi na de mame say men to Galamsey na me fantua me hoka na me fanya reclamation na say ai na nso fa yekokosi he tumi be na wo na se na ekoba ya enti ebeduru court no na MPP for argument na say state no entimi nchi Wontumi because say you can say you transfer mineral right it should be a written document e kire say nkrata ni me de abra wo sign me de amount ya ho na unza sign nipa binum ko school kwa adwen ka ho nyansa nka ho because Wontumi's dealing with the gentleman Ogum aye your friend saying clandestine arrangement aye no sumase because only right so the mobi enti se obi won so obi a osma ya se kotwatire breme na metu ya aka na one obi asensan krata da obi sumo obi aso nkotwatire mra na osan krata ana am Robert so mo boss no tifie na osma sa ne nkora nkobo kro no a who say ono mo san krata da so that is it's a clandestine your friend saying arrangement ye e wo sumase so you might not find any your friends saying krata paper trail bia but wo he kwan a your friends say section 14(1) of the your friends saying of the act 703 na ya captain na it's not just about transfer through documents and as for what trust are near money nyina wie ni nyina no obeka say menim say if you have that particular portion
that TV
so say ga obetime nya read am man ka be say chawa de bi 14 na nkasa no 14(1) yeah 14(1) no
991 okay my first one
yes enti what trying in such a okay I think that no 14(1) where 99 the sentence
where you the sentence no
yes
ma me hwehwe 14(1) amount
check 14(1) na me nkyira wade bi a lot of people are missing and say sa there na you will understand the year canon enti say wo ha waka transfer any other means ni nyina no na wase abeka I use a residual phrase. As a phrase in a friend catch all. Any other arrangement biana the frame no I be say biano has been dealt with by that catch all or residual phrase na that particular asie no and that is where this particular arrangement verbal clandestine surreptitiously done ni nyina no fall within, because at the end of the day somebody has been permitted to go and mine on a land that only permission, and that is all that it means. So you don't need to transfer in the form of a written deed and sign na wo dia mobi. Any other arrangement be a kan ho bia no say ya chewa you fall within. And until that particular argument na MPP for advance no judge no botugu ye. And again e kokoduru a point be a abra new judge no friends attach yan by
new lawyer.
Yes, oba na he wanted to play games. And I'll say so we have article
14:1 no.
Okay.
Or say a mineral right shall not in whole or in part be transferred, assigned, mortgaged, or otherwise encumbered,
or dealt with,
in a manner without the prior approval in written of the minister.
So encumbered with no a limitation on the right that has been given to you. So it's a strict limitation on it, or dealt with. So any other arrangement be a obey bia na enye mortgage, enye transfer, enye we no. And those arrangements ni nyina no where your residual phrase e catch what as what the net at ho. And it may not be transfer, it may not be mortgage, it may not be, but any other anything be obey bia na be ma asasira kodu obi ho bia no, that falls within that incumbent or dealt with phrase na e catch off phrase na wom no. So you cannot go and sit on TV and say there was no document, there was no deed in the judge. That is why judge can say sabi instead no more can that was a poor argument. And again and oba no say your friend say 99 we so betim dey atoso anka be me de pa.
I know your first one now.
Yes, a honor sentencing regime no. And this is a sentencing regime na.
Biye mu kakra.
Manenya kese na menkan ya de.
Manenya kese kakra na
ehunsu. And the attaching case ni say. So what kind controversy na ya charge Wontumi say why na. We ya Wontumi say why na. Say what kind bone na wadi na. A whole sentence no. So wo hwe that particular sentencing we article 99 2B na one for punishment and sha no and so he was going to invoke the interpretative jurisdiction of the Supreme Court by article 130 our reference article 1911 1911 naturally say answer na be punish obi no say e wo mrama ye define and in his head no he is telling you say 2B no there is no punishment but obi a onim kwanya parliament phrasing way bia no so what kind two your friends saying B and C na there or say act or instigate command facilitate encourages or in any way or manner purposely aid facilitate encourages or in or promote any act any act in respect of this act which a penalty has not been specified, or you see the word or so the or no is a continue is that particular phrase B or the C, and the C comes with punishment. So attach and say B no punishment in sha no enti yemfa Supreme Court na enko interpret. And my man say hey asema na okay because what follow parliamentary kwan omfa so a omo church omo nsem nyina no it's a matter of legislative construction, not an issue of your friends say emra no for to be wo ho. So it does not warrant any constitutional interpretation, because even the word or na ehia ho no kwa say either B or A no that is the same thing. And punishment that I was see no is what should be imposed on anybody that offend B. So you don't need any constitutional interpretation. And a judge no to go here say there is no basis, and our reference say a lot of articles, especially Act 30. So kwa ye fa so aye tro no sa na parliament over the years aye no otimi tro, because sa na ye kan sa wo hwe your friends say B na or say a person who a person that is the tool we believe. Does it make sense?
two no kwajina ho say a person who
you see does it make sense exactly so the full act no and they will see and the punishment no is attached to C
to the C
so the C will be you find the punishment where any of these things are ever imposed on you but you cannot just go and say there is no punishment attached to the B and you say you can say 99 we just what me say enkora gro bi na no mudi but the judge was very magnanimous kind enough to let all these things and the ruling she took her time extensively discuss these things. I catch it say a legislative construction. There is no ambiguity. There is nothing that warrants the invocation of Article 130 of the Supreme Court. And for no, oboni to go here and a case a course so and a yesane. So first one, thank
you, Davison.
Transfer deed. As a crata, a war idea dance Wontumi, and my catcher say the Article 4, Section 14, deal with. You don't need to be in the written documents or transfer documents. After all, it's a criminal engagement and winning the paranoia. You will not find any paper trivia in an enterprise that is criminal. So any sensible person will know say in such an arrangement there will be no way. And I want to be argument and say, or the man say, Uncle Diakube. Na onsanya reclamation na court say okay that's fine na me ni ho na we su ni ho when I walk wasem so I know the day I am going to base on circumstantial evidence to determine this particular matter and circumstantial evidence is allowed in criminal matters because for instance wuni wukunada ade a chie obia ya fa ne say bibia si wo room ho and normally cry sex case and as ane ma ne obi se wona nada wo se wona ne nai yakọ room ho condom ho ya yisu ya friend say sperms ne na sefo nyina peti gudamu a ekira clearly say obi no obi ada even though ya mechew say oda wo so na wo da but circumstantially we look at all the available evidence and the fact say ya hwe CCTV camera be ma bia ni ho fra sa be wura dam ho e ya won kwa na wone ne wo ho enti circumstantially it must lead to a single logical conclusion. There is no way around it. For instance, obi kunipa, for you to pin obi say wa committing murder there must be death. And this over here, and then nipa kunipa person fa kwan bia so koto body no to twa na o no sabe ya because without the body you cannot pin the person. But there has been instances without the body court no based on circumstantial evidence leading to just one conclusion say ade a we ye there niema asi kare niema asi nyina the only conclusion we can una even without the body the court can base on that and give judgment and that's exactly what happened in Wontumi's case because what the man say onkoye reclamation obi a onya bi da kra nim say it is one of the most expensive,
very expensive
undertaking. And this is what the man so onya your friend is saying. Uncle Biakuba, your friend is a sikabe na de man nero. Nipa no so kan che say o si mintu galam say na me mfante meka. Ni mintu galam say na me mfante meka no may not be enough. To galam say Wontumi kosesa ni mfidi a odi to galam say begu asase no so. Ama abrantia na ogum no o wadamfo oton excavator. I was in Fidiano and so out of to galamsey. Emma, Wontumi kotua eka. Sa excavators ka. And you ha, of course, occupy excavator and down for catch and say, Wontumi buy when she has canning now. And yes, I was so. And ogum no quack or so and son orgy excavator that could wound us and so aquacutu galamsey. No, do cast a winning na. And if the court is basing on circumstantial evidence, not because Wontumi to galamsey. But all the surrounding evidence in the say you facilitated, you instigated, and have quoted act. Defense section 99B natural say you instigate, you facilitate, you cancel. So it is not a matter of Wontumi ankasa to galamsey. Wontumi ankasa to galamsey case, I don't know.
And we are turned on the forest,
Wontumi ankasa to galamsey no ho.
Yeah.
And then Akufuado echo yi ni free ne na se for no. But where you say or se obi kutupa. Amana ye and emra no say we show say we even me froba dem me too say kutu galamsey kura na metimi support in any way with credible evidence. I'm entitled to go to jail for 15 years and between 15 to 25. So it's not what we wutu galamsey and bisa everything. Assassin a can asem no is a bona fide property of who? Chairman Wontumi registered in his name into property. And I want to be to galamsey na winim. And what about just say no arrangement? What the amano? Say on your kube. There is no evidence. Actually, say kube na nipa no bi and man one city. And this sika bang and nipa no so no. Aya prosecutors no were very smart to convert him to a prosecution witness. And that is allowed. Aya man for a case nipa no mutu galamsey no adentre